Hey guys, today I'll show you how to host your websites on Hostinger. You just need to have Hostinger and of course domain names. So let's get started. So go to Hostinger and go to services and click VPS hosting. So you need to pick your preferred plan. So you can start with 4 GB of RAM. Okay, so if you want to save, choose 12 months or 24 months. So you can enable daily auto backup, but you need to pay for $3 per month. And for your server location, you can choose Indonesia or India. And if your target audience um, are from Europe, you can choose France, Germany, Lithuania, or United Kingdom. And for your operating system, you can start with a free hosting panel. So in this tutorial, we'll use CloudPanel because it is a very friendly and new friendly. And if you want to pay for license, you can choose cPanel. So that will be 29.99 per month. And we will proceed to CloudPanel. Just click continue and fill up your billing address and continue to payment. Once you have paid your VPS, your Hostinger will start setting up your VPS. So I will just log into my control panel, and this is your Hostinger control panel. So we have installed CloudPanel, and this is your VPS details. You can change your host name, or you can go to settings, and this is your IP addresses. So your IPv4 and your IPv6. And secure your VPS, you need to add an SSH key. Whenever you will log into your VPS, it will connect your private key and public key on Hostinger. So this is very important. And for the OS, you can change anytime your OS with panel. So if you don't like Cloud Panel, you can change it anytime you want. For instance, you want to go to cPanel, just click this cPanel and just click change OS. Okay, now let's start hosting our websites on hosting. So now you need to click this manage panel, and it will go to this IP address. Click accept the risk and continue. Okay, we need to log in. So this will be our username. Okay, for password, let's reset this. Okay, copy this one and click confirm. We'll paste the password here and click login. Okay, now we are here on our cloud panel, and we are still using an IP address and it's not yet secure. So what we need to do is go to your domain register, and I hope by this time you have already bought a domain or domain names. Okay, I will be going to Cloudflare. Okay, I'll just log in here. Okay, I have two domains, and I will use the primary as webchunks.org, and we'll go to DNS. Okay, let's set a subdomain. Okay, for instance, control panel, let's say CP, and we'll use our, okay, let's go to settings. Okay, this will be our IPv4. Paste it here, and we'll not use this one. So that will be a record, and we'll create another a record for our root. So by this time, we will use the proxy. So let's save, and let's go back to CloudPanel. Go to admin area and click settings, and we'll set our panel address, the webchunks.org, and be sure your DNS is already propagated. Then click save. Okay, now let's use this custom domain to log into our cloud panel. And now we are secured and we can use our subdomain. And now let's log in with the same credentials. And now we are here on our cloud panel dashboard. So first, we'll need to add a site. Okay, you can choose what kind of site you want to install or create. You can actually create a Python site, a Node.js, or the basic one, the most popular WordPress site. So let's create a WordPress site. Okay, this will be webchunks.org. Okay, how to host your website on Hostinger. And be sure to store this password in a safe place and just click create. We have created our WordPress website, and let's um, keep a copy on this one. Let's go back to sites, and you can see your website here listed. And you want to manage this one, just click manage. And here you can go to settings and set your PHP version, and your this will be the INI, so you can customize this, and you can also set the page speed, and you can click save. And for vhost database, you can actually go to phpMyAdmin. So this is your phpMyAdmin. You can set the varnish cache, so this will be a good thing to do to speed up your website. And of course, your SSL and TLS is self-signed, so you don't need to worry about the SSL. You can also add a basic authentication if you don't want to be listed on search engines, and you can set the, the Cloudflare on so that all traffic will come to Cloudflare, then to your website. Your SSH and FTP, your file manager, where you can upload. Okay, this will be htdocs. You can upload anything you want. And for cron jobs, if you want to add cron job, for instance, if you want to automatically renew the SSL, and of course your logs. Okay. Okay, now let's go to webchunks.org, or let's say WP admin. Okay, so if you encounter this page isn't redirecting properly, we will go to Cloudflare, go to SSL. Let's configure. Let's choose custom SSL and set this to full and click save. And now let's try again. Okay, great. So let's go to WP admin and we'll use our credentials. So by now you have already saved the credentials. So after installing your website, CloudPanel will give you your admin credentials. So be sure to keep that one. Click login. And now you are here on your WordPress dashboard. And so our WordPress is not running the latest. So let's go to settings. We'll set this to 8.4 and click save. And we'll just refresh this one. Okay, good. And now you can host your content. So if you have logos, content, images, or whatever you want to add to your website, you can now proceed to that. And okay, let's create or let's set a theme first. Let's try to add a cadence theme. Cadence. I, let's install a free template. Okay, let's choose pre-designed template. Let's go to free. Let's say, okay, this one. Let's say the painting course. Next, next, finish and launch. Okay, let's go to our site and let's see how it looks. Okay, great. Now we have a working WordPress website hosted on Hostinger. And if you want to add more website, we will try to add one. Let's go back to our uh, DNS provider and let's use our second domain. Let's go to DNS and we'll add an A record. So that will be our root. And I forgot my IP address. Let's see. Let's copy this one. Click save. And let's go to SSL. Configure. Let's select okay, this is already full, so this will be all good. And let's go back to our cloud panel. Let's go to sites, click add site, and we will add a WordPress website again. This will be webchunks. That space. Okay, okay, I'll just leave it to it. And that's great. Okay, so this will be webchunk space. That's great. Store this again on a safe place. Just be sure. And let's go back to sites. Now we have two websites. Let's click this one. So let's set the PHP to 8.4. Let's save. And let's go to webchunks.space. Okay, now we have our second website on Hostinger. So as usual, you can go to WP admin and install your favorite theme just like the first one. Okay, so this is how you will host your websites on Hostinger, and you can save 30 per month. by not choosing cPanel as your hosting panel. And CloudPanel is free and open source, and this is great for hosting WordPress websites or whatever websites you want to host on Hostinger. And I have already created a tutorial for hosting your WordPress websites on Coolify. Be sure to check that one out. And okay, that's it. This is how you will host your websites on Hostinger. If you have any questions, comment them down and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.